Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can send and sign documents online with Docusign. So let's talk about the Docusign. Docusign is a powerful e-signature solution that allows you to legally and securely collect signatures for your important documents. DocuSign uses e-signature technology that allows you to sign your documents quickly and seamlessly online. So electronic signatures with DocuSign require no paper, printer, fax machine, or pen. And most importantly, you don't need any software experience to use it. So to use this DocuSign, simply go to your browser and then search for docusign.com. And here, as you can see on the website, go paperless with DocuSign, become more agile, save time and money, enhance your security. Now, if we're going to see the e-signature section right there, so click on e-signature at the top, and then here you'll find some of the feature of this tool. So we have improve your customers experience. Consumers, partners, employees, and vendors expect convenient, fast agreement experiences and enable them to sign practically any type of agreement on almost any design and provide more intuitive experiences for your customers through custom branding, as you can see on your screen, and responsive signing. And it can boost business efficiency and reduce costs. As you can see here, get going quickly with dynamic document generation, collaborate with comments and shared templates, and take advantage of configurable workflows to tackle your trickiest agreement challenges. So here, as you can see here, you can just click on view all feature and you will find the top e-signature features to help you keep business moving. We have the branding, reflect your brand on the emails and web pages. We have templates, prepare documents for rapid sending with reusable templates, and Power Forms. So generate on-demand self-service documents for signature with little to no code. Right? So if we're going to take a look at some of product features here, so we'll find a bunch of features. And also it can increase security and make compliance easier. So protect your agreements with enterprise grade security. So you can just click in this button here to learn more. So as you can see here, the trust resources, the DocuSign compliance certifications, and it ensures you that your documents are very secured. Right, so if we're going back here, we can connect with all of the tools you already use. So you can easily integrate your agreements with your apps of choice, including Salesforce, Microsoft, Google, Zoom, and more. And connect and extend your signature workflows with an industry-leading number of pre-built integrations and award-winning APIs. So as you can see, we have a lot of features and you can basically watch the video here on how e-signature works. But this time we're going to click on the view plans and pricing. So as you can see in this page, we have different subscription plan that you can use. We have personal, so for individuals and sole proprietors with basic e-signature needs. So we have $10 a month and you'll get features like 5 envelopes per month, reusable templates, and 100 plus partner integrations. Now we have also the most popular standard plan, which has $25 a month per user, and the user will get some like shared templates and customized branding. And also on Business Pro, for $40 a month per users, you will have some features like bulk send and the Power Forms. And on enhanced plans, you can add some features for benefits like the 24/7 live support and other stuff like customized with integrations. And you can just click on show all features to basically look any of the advanced features on the plan. Right now, to get started, we can basically use the free trial. So we can just click on the try for free button right there at the top right of your screen to start with your free trial. Now from here, as you can see, try DocuSign free for 30 days. And you must complete the verification first, and then you can enter the email that you want to use for this DocuSign. Alright, so for example, this one here. And then you can basically check the box if you want to agree to receive marketing communications from DocuSign. So you can check or uncheck this box here and then click on get started. Now you'll be taken into the next page. As you can see, you just have to enter your first name, last name, and your phone number. And once done, click on next. And here you just have to check your email, temporary confirmation code that's sent to your email. And you just have to enter here on the box 6-digit verification code. And once done, click on next button. Now you can set up your password here. You just need to write down your password. So basically, it requires you to at least 6 characters long and must not contain some of the characters right here. Once done, click on the next button and we can save this password. Now you'll now go to the main page, as you can see on Docusign. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, you are now on your dashboard and finish your setup. You can just enter your industry. For example, here I'm on a technology industry and select why do you sign up. And then once done, click on save. Now you can just click on try sending or just skip. So here goes. You're now on your dashboard. Now here at the top of the page, you will find some sections like home section. We have also here like management section right there at the top, where you can actually manage your envelopes like your inbox, sent, drafts, or deleted envelopes right here. And we have also the quick view. It allows you to see emails or documents that have been shared to you. So any documents that require actions, are waiting for others, expiring, or completed can be viewed right over here. Now we have also some section like the template section, where here you can create a template to send invoices, billing documents, create signatures, and more. And also we have the report section, where it allows you to see the envelope usage that you have. And finally, we have also the settings right there. Going to click on settings section. So as you can see right here, then you can basically set up your signature. For example, if you're going to your signing setup right over here, or signing settings, so you can basically change the sign experience, the recipients, document formatting, delegation, or the signature that you have. If you want to apply like add Docusign frame or do not add frame, and you can basically edit your envelope delivery. Right, so once done, you just have to save all your changes. Now let's go to manage and let's build our first document right here. So as you can see here on manage, so you'll now go to this dashboard. Now first, I'm going to create my signature, going back to home section and go to this change signature section. And I'm going to choose here any of the default signature. So here we have a bunch of samples. For example, here you just need to select, just click on the circle to basically select the signature, and then click on the create button right over here. Right, so now we are ready to create a document. So go back to manage, and from here, as you can see, we now go to click on start now button at the top left. Now creating an envelope. Now here, as you can see, let's have to drop files here or upload from your computer, or you can basically use a template. So you can add a template that you have just created and you just have to edit right over here. But this time I'm going to upload the document from my desktop or drag and drop here. So for example, as you can see, the document that I'm going to use. So this is the like a document letter of intent. So I'm going to view this one and you will find this document here, and I will be like to sign here, right? So you can basically add also your recipients. For example, here you can add the name, or you can check I'm the only signer. So you can basically enter here or just check that box. And you can also go to this message. You can add a message, for example, please see attached file. And then once done, click on the sign button right over here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And once you click on the sign button, then you'll now be taken to this page. All right, so I'm going to allow this one. Now here, just click continue, and here is the letter of intent. So first up here, we can basically drag your signature right over here at the left panel. We have some fields. You can drag and drop right here, for example. So it's easy to use. So basically just have to drag and drop the initial, and also if you want a stamp. So basically you will have the stamp here, or you can upload the logo or the stamp image. You can basically upload from your computer. For example, I want to use this logo here, which is the Notion logo, and then I'm going to minimize this to get the letter N, and then I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to name this as like N. Okay, and then once done, you just have to click on the adopt button. But there you have it. We have the stamp right over here, and then we can also drag this date signed right here, and then we can add a name. So you can basically enter the full name, or if you want a specific, like if you want to put the first name or just a last name, so you can basically just drag and drop right over here, right? Or you can delete, just click on the X button, and you can add some email address, you can add some company name right over here, and also the title if you want, right? And we have also some text and checkbox. Then if you don't want any of the field, you just have to click on the X button, for example here and over there. All right, so we have the document signed here, and we can now click on the finish button. So once we click on the finish button here, then you will now go to this page where you can basically share your signed document. So for example, I'm going to send a completed copy to other. So I'm going to enter my email. And then here you can put you can put a subject and a message, and then click send. And once you send a message, so as you can see, you have to wait for a few seconds. Then that template will be saved right over here on the inbox. Okay, so let's check the email that we have sent. So let's open our Gmail account, and let's go to the particular email. So view completed document. So as you can see here, you will find the document that we have just sent. And as you can see, the letter of intent. So we have the signature here, we have the name, and also here we have some options, like for example, if you want to save this document. So that's how you simply send this document to others. So that's how you basically create a document. Now, if you're going back to home section, we can basically customize a signature here. If you click on the create your signature, then you can basically select any of the signature or choose any generated signature right over here. Or you can actually draw your own signature. If you're going to click on draw, then you can draw the signature right here. Then if you don't like, you can basically click on the clear button. Then you can draw a signature, and you can also draw your initials. So there you go. And then also we have some options like upload. So you can upload also your signature right over here, or basically you can just use the default signature provided. So if you're signing legal documents and you are on a paid plan, so I recommend that make sure before you're signing legal documents, you have the chosen signature that you will be using. So you can get started here by document signing. Now, if you want to send the documents that other people have to sign, you must go here on templates. Then we're going to click on create a template. Then as you can see, creating a template, then we have to create a document here that other people have to sign. So I'm going to name this as like memorandum of agreement. And then here I'm going to enter the template description if you want. So for example, please sign. And then I'm going to add a document. I'm going to drag and drop right here. So as you can see, so we have the sample document right here, and we can basically view this one. So this is the letter of intent, and I want to basically sign this one, and I'm going to add recipients. So I'm going to just type CEO, for example, and this is the name and the email. And we have some options if you want to select needs to sign, in-person signer, or like receive a copy or need to view, or like customize. So just select any of the options here. And also you can add a recipient. So you can just input right here, and you can add a message. For example, you want like, please sign the document, like just like that. Then once done, click on the next button right here at the bottom right hand corner. Now you'll be directly go to this page where you just, enter the signature frame right here where they have to sign, or you will add some full name, date signed, and a company name right there, or you can basically add a stamp. And once done, just click on save and close right here at the bottom right. So this would be sent to the people that you have added as recipient for this particular document. So they will need to sign or sign up your document. So yeah, that's all. That's how you basically send and sign documents online with Docusign. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.